these are the new outfits. Today's video, I was thinking about doing a trip preparation vlog because I feel like that would be fun. You know, like styling the clothes, styling the outfits, and organize it into the luggage. Sorry guys, I am low in energy today, but I want to film this before I fly tomorrow. I really want to vlog as well because it's just fun to look back. Let me show you guys. This is like my Notion page, and I have this travel log. This is a Shanghai trip that I went in April. I really like to do checklist so I know that I don't miss anything when I go to the foreign country, because that would be a disaster. Tomorrow evening I will fly to Kyushu or Fukuoka, and we created our own itinerary for our 7 to 8 day trip to Japan. And this is very important, guys, because I'll be planning my outfits according to the trip planner and the events or the places that we'll visit in these slides. So in these slides, we have hotel and flight information, zoning for landmarks and architecture, and also a day-by-day trip planner that Sen, his brother, and I put together for this Kyushu trip. We'll also be moving hotels, guys, for 4 times. 4 times during these 7 to 8 days. So it will be 2 days in Fukuoka, then Yufuin, and 1 day in Oita, the Aso mountain, and then 2 days in Kumamoto. And finally, back to Fukuoka for 2 more days before we fly back to Bangkok on the 28th. I know, guys, it wasn't the girly trip I expected, but I got skinnier after the trip, by the way, because I was wrestling with my luggage for almost a week. I already put my outfits here, but they're not finalized yet. I used to style my outfit and then bring them on the trip, but they didn't fit well, so that's why I feel traumatized, and now I have to try on every single outfit and then pack it into the luggage. I realize it's almost that time of the month. I just can feel it in my body and my emotion. I feel exhausted. Let's try on some clothes together, shall we? I have like all my shoes here, like potential shoes. I also have to look at the weather. Alright guys, this is gonna be fun. Thursday we will arrive at the airport, and then we will drop our luggage at the hotel. We'll go to Team Lab as well. So Team Lab is basically like a experimental forest that have like the exhibition. The lighting exhibition is really beautiful. So I'm not sure, should I wear something white so it can project on me? Should I put some music on? I think I should put some music on, but I don't want to get copyright. I want to talk as well, so I'll just keep this video chit-chatty and talky. Let me compare each day, like where we're going, so I know like what kind of vibe I want to go for each day. So the second day we're moving hotel to the Master Architect Hotel, and then we'll go to the temple and the park and the mall. Okay, so the second day is basically just the mall and the park and the temple. Wow, we will travel for 2 hours. I think I should go for an adventure-y vibe. I really like this dress. It's like pleated navy dress. So the third day we're traveling to Oita. I think I should try things on, otherwise I won't really see it. So let's try things on. It's really cute. Just basic black boots. Good essential piece to have in your closet. This is how it looks. First outfit that I tried on. It's really cute. And you can see my hair here. Such a weird POV. So that's the first one. For the second fit, I'm wearing this basic gray top with a symmetrical lace skirt. It's really cute. It's gonna be around 20 degrees Celsius, so I'm gonna wear this white sweater as well. I like it. I think I'm gonna pair it with boots again, because why not? I don't want to bring a lot of stuff. I feel like I would just rewear things. Is that even a word? Oh my gosh, guys, this is freaking cute. Now my energy is here. This is my second outfit. So I'm wearing the asymmetrical lace skirt and a basic white sweater and also have my basic gray top inside. I really like how this outfit makes my hair pop more. I really love this hair color, guys. I also have to take my outfit pictures like this because I really like to do a note. These are like my outfits when I went to Shanghai, and this is like the outfit for this Japan trip. We already got the first one. I really like this outfit. I just hope my hair doesn't stain that bad because I stained my pillowcase already. I just hope it doesn't rain, otherwise it will stain my whole outfit. Oh my gosh, I'm wearing all white. What am I thinking? And this is kind of cute as well without the sweater. Okay, I'm gonna change into third outfit. Alright, for the third outfit, this one is gonna be basic off-shoulders and a long denim skirt with samba. It's really basic. How about a black leather jacket? Layering makes it much more interesting. We have our final third outfit. So we have a long denim skirt wearing with a green samba and off shoulders, black leather jacket. Let's try on our third outfit. Why am I so tired today? For my fourth outfit, I have this really basic city look. So it's just a long front slit skirt and a really thin blazer from BSC and the black strap top, really stretchy and comfortable. I like how this has a subtle office city girl vibes. Cute. What's that? Okay, I was also thinking about bringing this hat for me to sleep on the plane. This is kind of cute though. I like it. For the fifth outfit, I'm wearing this green dress with the same leather jacket, black boots. And do the closet rotation with the boots and the jacket just to create like a symphony throughout. Yeah, I really like it. It's comfortable, it's comfy, and yeah, so this is my fifth outfit. Okay guys, okay, you can see the mess there. Ignore it. Pretend you didn't see it. I'll blur it. Blur. This is my sixth outfit. It's really basic. Actually, all my clothes are basic. Wearing this Converse with the midi skirt and a navy Kenzo sweater. As I told you guys, we will be on Assault Mount and we think it's gonna be much more windier, so should I wear this windbreaker? So guys, I think this is my seventh outfit because there is a day that we will have to go up the mountain and I'm scared it's gonna be cold. It's the most colorful outfit I have right now on this rack. Look at that, it's so neutral, which matches like the Japan vibe. I don't want to go too crazy. I just want to play with like the subtleness because my hair is already red. So yeah, this is my jeans. I really like it. It's denim cargo jeans going on. This outfit is giving like 90s, 70s. I don't know what years it is. I don't know. It's like kind of vintage for me. I don't know, should I wear it like that? If you zip it up, it's kind of like so freaking cool. It's like I'm going to do an Arabic dance. I don't know. It's cute. Oh my gosh, I cannot take it off. Hey guys, a little update. I just tried on this outfit and I feel like this should be also in this trip for our first day. Because we're going to Team Lab and wearing white in the Team Lab looks much better in black. So that's why I changed my mind, and this is a new pair. This is the Sarah cream jeans jacket. I really like the details. So I was thinking about strap it on top like that, and I'm wearing it with off-white pants. Not sure which shoes should go with it, but right now I'm wearing Samba. And yeah, that's all. This is cute. Alright. Hope you guys enjoy this part of the video. It's a bit messy and I talk a lot. I'm gonna take a picture because I've already put some of the outfits that made it to the final round. The second row here, these are like the outfit I wore to Shanghai, and these are the new outfits. I already assigned each outfit to each day. I have each of my outfit in hierarchical order. Anywho, let's go pack. Well, first things first, I'm going to put all my clothes that didn't make it back in the closet. This is gonna be my carry-on because as you can see, we're moving city for 4 to 5 times. Usually I would bring a main luggage and then the carry-on on wheel, but as we're moving towns, I don't think I can like carry two. So that's why this trip's carry-on is just gonna be like purse like that. I actually forgot to bring my luggage. Let me get my luggage real quick. Also, I have my second cup. Excuse me. Also, I have my second cup of coffee. I'll be back. I got my luggage, guys. But I feel like there's something inside. Oh. Puffer jacket. I don't think it's gonna get that cold. It's kinda cute, no? And there's some things here that I have to get rid of. I thought I lost them. This might come in handy. Let me fix this mess real quick. Alright guys, so let's transfer these clothes into the luggage. I actually have some of this organizing stuff here. Put it here. So I have this separation bag. We're not gonna put in first day outfit. I haven't sorted out the pajama yet. The pajama in banana. The banana in pajama, sorry. So I think it would be easier to put in the selected clothes first. So this is the second day. This is how I usually pack, more of like a closet, because you know it's easier to travel around and I have to move city for a few times, so having these outfits on the hangers really helps. So the next fit, the third one is this white. Third day would be a symmetrical skirt with a basic gray top and a really simple white sweater. You know what I should do? Now I have to redo it again. I actually have to put like the last day outfit in first. So our last day is gonna be this basic black and navy sweater and this midi skirt from Topshop. So I'm gonna put this in. Okay. Minimize the hangers. I totally forgot that I have to put like the last day clothes in first. So for the 7th day, I have this another black strap top with a thin blazer and a long skirt. I'm also gonna pair it with this blinding hat. I'm calling it blinding hat because you cannot really see. I think it's just for the photo or you know when you're asleep on the JR train. Shinkansen girl. For the 6th day, we have this dress, and we're using the black leather jacket for a couple of days. I'm struggling with the hangers. Don't come for me. This is how I pack. For the 5th day, we have this maxi denim skirt and off-shoulder top and this leather jacket. Our 4th day, we're wearing this pants with this windbreaker from Adidas and basic white crop top. It's nice. Okay, so this one is third. Gray top inside and the white sweater, a symmetrical skirt, and asymmetrical. This in. I don't want to overpack, but I just cannot help it. Our first day clothes here, and yeah, that's it. These didn't make it. Alright guys, just gonna divide the section of the luggage. So this is obviously it's gonna be clothes and some of the socks and underwear. I'm gonna put the music on and let's pack together. Hey guys, I'm back with almost full battery. I literally just trying to figure out what should I bring with me. So these are my makeup and brushes. I'm just a girl. most excited time. So right now I'm going to pack my carry-on bag. Carry-on already put like a spare purse. You know, when I want to put this at the hotel, I can just left this back here and then just use it. So here I have my Kindle book. I also have my toiletry for the airport, for the airplane, like the toothbrush, travel size stuff. Some healthy snacks and a charger. I'm charging my power bank here, so I'll add that later. Of course, I'm gonna put in my mirror and my wallet. I'm just a girl, guys. I'm bringing a lot of stuff. My passport. So I think that's it, you guys. So these are the things I'll bring with me as a carry-on bag. And we're good to go. Hey vlog, I'm gonna wear these to the airport. Just kidding, I'm not gonna wear that. So right here I have my jacket and we will leave in about 10 minutes. This is my luggage. I just put on like the road espresso. I put the skincare and yeah, that's it. We're going to the airport, so see you in Japan. And of course I have to say goodbye to this little buddy. Bye, Dusty.
นาฬิกา 20 นาที อุณหภูมิภายนอก 31 องศาเซลเซียส